Hello everyone. I know things are really hard right now. Maybe money's tight or you haven't been paid yet, or you're just trying to make what you have last a little bit longer. You're not alone. Lots of people are feeling the same way right now. Today, I want to share some very simple, gentle ways to keep yourself clean and your home fresh using what you already have. You don't need to buy fancy products. You don't need to feel embarrassed. We're just going to use what we've already got in our homes. Here's a step-by-step guide. Washing our hands and bodies. If you still have a little bit of soap, use just a tiny bit. A drop or two can go a long way. If you've run out, you can use a few drops of dish soap in a bowl of warm water. Mix it up gently, then use a cloth or your hands to wash your body or hands. It still cleans just fine. Dish soap is made to break down oils and dirt. It's safe in small amounts. Using shampoo or other swaps. If you've run out of body wash, your shampoo can do the same job. It's made for skin and hair, and a little drop can clean your body too. If you don't have either, try some oatmeal and warm water. Put a spoon or two of oats in a cloth, tie the cloth up and squeeze it in some warm water. The warm water will turn soft and milky. You can then use the water to gently clean your skin. It's really kind, especially if your skin is dry. Mouth care. If toothpaste runs out, you can dip your toothbrush in baking soda or bicarbonate of soda if you're somewhere else. It tastes a bit salty, but it does help clean your teeth. If you don't have a toothbrush, wrap a clean cloth around your finger and gently rub your teeth and gums. Deodorant. If you're out of deodorant, a little pinch of baking soda under your arms can help stop smells. Just use a tiny bit and test it on your skin first in case it's too strong. You can also wipe under your arms with a damp cloth or a drop of dish soap or vinegar water. That helps too. Laundry for clothes and towels. If your detergent is running low, use half as much. It still works. You can add half a cup of baking soda to make it clean better. If you've run out completely, just a few drops of dish soap in a full load will clean clothes in a pinch. Don't add too much though, please, or you'll get lots of bubbles. A few drops really is enough. All-purpose cleaner. For cleaning around your home, mix 1 cup of vinegar and 1 cup of water in a spray bottle or bowl. If you don't have vinegar, warm water with a few drops of dish soap also works. You can use that to wipe tables, sinks, mirrors and bathrooms. Just don't use vinegar on stone or marble counters. It can make marks. Just a tip, if you wanted to remember what the solutions are, you can actually put a bit of masking tape right on the ingredients, and then whenever I go to refill, I could just look, because I've got terrible memory. Just a tip there for you. So this is my bathroom cleaner. As you can see, it's well worn. I've used this for years now. So I've got some in there already. So I'm going to work out halfway because obviously it's a half mix. So if I bring the water up to about here, I usually use my funnel, but not everybody's got that. So we're just winging this. So that's the water. I actually buy this in white vinegar. I buy it in big bottles as well because I use a lot of it. But we're literally using this store-bought one. Now in the UK, this one is about 34 pence for a bottle. I don't know what it is over in America, but hopefully you've got this around your house. So we're just going to fill that to the top. So that's half water, half vinegar. I like to add 20 drops of tea tree oil to mine because I use this for the bathroom. If you have lemon juice, you're able to add drops of that as well, a few drops of lemon juice if you have it. Failing that, Hopefully we all have washing up liquid. Just add a few drops of washing up liquid and that makes it an all-purpose cleaner. Because I'm going to be using this for the bathroom, I'm going to add 20 drops of tea tree. As I say, the lemon juice would do the same thing. I wasn't counting then, usually I count them in, but I think that should be about right. There we go, nice and full, and that will last me for a very, very long time. Floors and surfaces. For floors, just use warm water with a tiny bit of dish soap or vinegar. Old towels or t-shirts can make good cleaning cloths. You don't need fancy mops or sprays, just wipe things gently and let them dry. Fresh smell and comfort. If you want your home to smell nice, you can simmer a pot of water with a bit of lemon, orange peel or cinnamon if you have it. It makes the air smell clean and warm. Even opening a window for a few minutes can help freshen things up. If something seems empty, try cutting the bottle or tube open and making sure that you get every single drop. I've put the recipes for these solutions below, just so it makes it nice and easy for you. I know it isn't easy, but you're doing your best and that really is enough. Clean doesn't have to be perfect. I've learnt this myself. It just means looking after yourself and your space, one small step at a time. Shop your home first, use what you already have. You don't need to spend money you don't have. You already have enough to stay safe and clean. Take things slow. Be kind to yourself, as I always say. And if you have any small tips that have helped you, please share them in the comments. It might help someone else too. All my best for now. Sending love.